I'm Andrea. We're based out of Denver, Colorado. We're Trio Construction. The demonstration on how to look at a P&L differently was a huge eye-opener. We're very familiar with how to view a P&L, how to read one, and do bookkeeping and organize your numbers and think about your P&L. And when Fred rearranged my P&L to make it make sense in the context of this business, I realized I had no idea what I was talking about, and I was pretty much losing money. Another enormous eye-opener when we went to the seminar hosted by Fred. My husband and I and our business partner regularly debated in that, you know, the only way to solve our problems is to get to $10 million. $10 million is going to solve everything. We're going to be able to pay for everything. We're going to feel good. That's going to be great. But Jason and I, who live more on the operations side of things, absolutely knew that that was not the answer. If everything is on fire, adding, doubling, tripling the size of our revenue is not going to put out fires. Fred so simply put together a chart of a job mix and target gross profit margin, and just tweaked a few numbers, a number of jobs, and tweaked a few things. And the eye-opening moment of, oh my gosh, we don't have to work this way. We can literally make the money we've been trying to make by doing less work, but doing it a little bit differently, was the exact answer I needed. And he happened to say it in front of my husband, business partner, who was able to hear it from somebody in such a clear way, you know, speaking from experience, that is exactly what we needed in that moment. If you spend every single day not being able to take time out of your day to do something to improve your business or find a different answer, then you're going to continue spinning your wheels. And I don't know how you get out of that hamster wheel. I couldn't, and I needed to go find an answer. I didn't know it at the time. I think I just thought that if I kept pushing and kept grinding, that it would eventually level out and get better. And to have someone else tell me a different idea, went to the class and realized that I was in a hamster wheel heading in just the same direction, but at a bigger scale.